Hey, so I'm going to show you guys the facial that I do at home in between visits with my esthetician. I try to set aside around 30 minutes to do this at least once a week. So let's start.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right.
Step one is to pre-cleanse. I'm using the Metamorph Cleansing Balm by Ayond. It's free from parabens, phthalates, silicones, sulfates, artificial dyes, and synthetic fragrances. They are also vegan and cruelty-free. Pre-cleansing helps break down dirt, oil, and makeup. I like to massage the balm into my dry skin for about 30 seconds to 1 minute.
It's worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Next, I like to add water and massage the balm for an additional 30 seconds. You see it kind of changes the color and the texture of the balm. I feel like this is just an added deep cleanse. To remove the balm, I use these pads from Dickinson's. I love them because they're reusable and sustainable. They're also really fluffy and soft. I wet them a little bit and then I just proceed to wipe all the balm off of my face. Step two is to actually cleanse the skin. I've been loving this milk cleanse from Moon Juice. It's formulated without parabens, petroleum, pesticides, silicones, gluten, artificial dyes, or fragrances, and the tube is made from sustainable sugarcane. What I really love about this cleanser is that it's really gentle. It doesn't leave your face feeling stripped or dry after you use it. I actually feel pretty hydrated. Quick tip to using this cleanser or any cleanser: use your fingertips, massage your cleanser into your skin for about a minute. Make sure you get the outer edges of your face, your chin, any creases. You want to make sure your skin's really clean. Next, rinse your cleanser off with lukewarm water. They say cold, but I'm not doing that. Step three is to steam your skin. I got this steamer from Amazon. I will link it in the description box below. And step four is to exfoliate. I've been using the Krave Kale-Lalu-yAHA and loving it. So my esthetician actually recommended that I steam and exfoliate simultaneously. So what I do is I steam my face to open my pores about a minute before I actually apply the exfoliant. So the Krave Beauty exfoliant resurfaces your skin. It is cruelty-free and vegan. They use glycolic acid, and I tend to use this on my skin about 3 times a week. There is a little tingling sensation that you may feel, especially if it's your first time using it, but don't worry, that's totally normal.
You're okay.
So again, with the reusable cotton round, this one I actually got in a pack from Amazon. I will link below. One thing I love about this Krave Beauty exfoliant is that you don't have to rinse it off. You simply just put it on a cotton round and swipe it all over your face. Obviously, avoid your eyes and probably your lips too.
Better care of yourself. It's worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Once the exfoliant is on, I actually steam my face for another minute or 2 minutes just to make sure that the exfoliant really gets into my pores. Step 5 is to mask. I'm using this CBD Manuka honey mask from Addict. It is made from all organic ingredients, helps moisturize the skin, evens your skin tone, and is full of antioxidants, one of my favorite masks. And I like to mask while I steam so that my pores are open and all of the goodness and ingredients can seep all the way in. Of course, you're gonna rinse the mask off with, again, lukewarm water. Step 6 is to tone your skin. The Healing Crystal Toner from Purpl and Prosper is hands down my favorite toner. I literally have been using it for years. I like to spray my toner on my skin instead of wipe it on and then just gently press it into your skin. The reason we use toner is to help rebalance the pH in the skin and also helps close your pores. After you tone, you want to add your serums to your skin. So I start with this hyaluronic acid vitamin C serum from ThisWorks. It really does give my skin that added moisture, helps with that glow, helps my skin look all plump and dewy. Also, make sure that you're patting your product into your skin and not rubbing it. Patting increases the absorption and effectiveness of your ingredients, and rubbing can tear your skin or pull it or drag it. Next, I like to use this skin perfecting serum from Caudalie. It's made from 98% natural ingredients. It helps to activate that glow, visibly refines skin texture, reduces the appearance of imperfections, and it also tightens pores.
About it right now, everything's okay.
Step 8 is to moisturize. I am using the Daily Greens moisturizer from Farmacy Beauty. Absolutely one of my favorites. It's very lightweight, oil-free, kind of just gives you that added glow. Again, I'm going to start by patting in my moisturizer after my serum. I know a lot of people get these steps mixed up, but you want to use your moisturizer after your serums. I also try to incorporate a little facial massage just to get some blood circulating throughout my skin during the step. Step 9 is to spot treat any acne you may have. I like to use 100% tea tree oil. I understand that this may be a little strong for most people, so you can just dilute the oil with a little bit of water. Just apply it directly onto any pimples or blemishes that you may have. So step 10 is to seal everything in with an oil. I'm using Skin Dope by Josie Maran. It's a blend of CBD and argan oil. Cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free, totally recyclable. The oil is going to help seal all of your products, and the CBD in the oil is also going to help your skin absorb the products much better. The final and probably most important step is sunscreen. I am using Glowscreen from Supergoop. It's one of my favorite sunscreens. It's free from oxybenzone and lots of other harmful ingredients. I cannot stress enough how important it is to use sunscreen in your everyday skincare routine. Even us, yes, black girls need sunscreen too. Please, you guys, I'm urging you to use sunscreen. I lied. The most important part of any skincare routine is to love your skin. Every freckle, bump, blemish, scar, and flaw, those are the things that make you uniquely beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you learned a thing or two. If you like this video, please thumbs up, like it, subscribe to my channel. Bye.